In this video, I'm going to talk about creating a custom calendar in Excel. Also, please subscribe if these easy how-to videos help you, and let's get into it. So this is what the finished product is going to look like. With just a few clicks, you can have a fully built calendar. It's going to have all the usual important days and holidays included, but you also have the option of adding your own special events and deadlines and any other dates of significance. So to get started, you're going to go up into File, and then New, and then search for the word Academic Calendar. You can search just calendar if you want just 1 month to work with. I'm going to look up academic because I want an entire year to work with. You can select any one of these. I'm going to select this one, and then just hit the Create button. Now, for example purposes, it's included this cell here for parent-teacher conference, but if this doesn't apply to you, then you can just delete it. Now up top, you can see how the year is set to 2023 and then the month is set to January. If you want to pick a different year or a month, you can just go up top and rewrite the year and also pick a different drop down for the month. Since I'm recording in 2023, I'm going to keep the year as 2023, but I'm going to pick May for the year, or I'm sorry, for the month. And you can see how when I change the month, all the days automatically update in Excel. Now, the cool thing about picking your own month and year is that when you scroll down, the months that follow will show up as well, and it'll be an entire year's worth of months that are populated in Excel. This is pretty useful because if you're a student, for example, you may want to see your year starting with August when school starts. Or if you're an employee and your fiscal year starts at June, then you can select that as well. Now, if you take a look at these cells, you'll notice how there's a small cell for the day, and then a larger cell for you to write out any notes you may have for that day. This space is useful because if you have a certain event you want to make note of, you can write it out here. So for example, on this cell, I'm going to write vacation starts and hit enter. Let's say that you have an assignment due every Sunday night for the month of June. I can scroll down to June, and then for Sunday, I can write quiz due, and I can just copy paste that onto every Sunday for the month of June. Now, since we're in Excel, we can actually use some of Excel's functionalities to make this calendar better. I can highlight the entire worksheet up here and then go up into the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, and then I can do highlight cells that contain, and I'll write the word quiz, and I'll hit OK. And this just makes it easier for you to keep track of bigger days because it's going to now highlight those cells in red whenever you have a quiz due. If you were to have a work conference, for example, a few times a year, you can keep track of that. And then we'll do the same thing. I'll go up into Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight cells that contain, and I'll write the word conference. And let's have that highlighted in yellow. And again, this just makes it easier for you to keep track of bigger days and important deadlines that are coming up. If you want to share this, then you can go up into File and then Print. And then you have the option here of printing it to PDF if you want a digital copy, or you can select an actual printer if you want a physical copy as well. And there you have it. So that wraps up my video. If this helped you, then please do subscribe and be on the lookout for more Excel how-to videos. I'm hoping to help as many people as I can become data experts in Excel in the most easy to understand way possible. So that's it for today, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.